Hi, it's Mike with Behavioral Comedy, and today we're going to be talking about schedules of reinforcement. Just to get a few terms out there, if I mention a V, it means variable. If I say F, that means fixed. If I say I, that means interval, and if I say R, that means ratio. Today we're going to be going over the simple schedules of reinforcement, not to be confused with complex schedules of reinforcement. Complex schedules of reinforcement are just taking two or more simple schedules, putting them together, and coming up with a new complex schedule. One schedule that we're not going to talk about today are fixed time schedules and variable time schedules. So a brief intro to that. A fixed time schedule is going to be something like a TV in jail. You don't have to do anything. No behavior has to occur. You just have to be in the presence of the TV at a fixed time every day. You get to watch TV. A variable time is going to be something like your phone rings. You don't have to do anything for the phone to ring, and it happens at random times. You're not really sure. And so both of those schedules are response-independent schedules of reinforcement. So you can think of something like an NCR, non-contingent reinforcer, or reinforcement schedule, where no behavior has to occur. It just happens on some time schedule. So today, we're going to be talking about the 4 simple schedules of reinforcement. And one thing, too, I want to point out, when you see the classic graphs and what the schedules look like, those are always depicted on a cumulative record. Not to be confused with the cumulative graph, which we can make in Excel, but a cumulative record where it has that little fan on the record itself that shows you responses over time. So with the record, you can see every moment that organism is responding or those behaviors are being measured. You can see every moment and know what point in time things happen, when reinforcement occurred, when behavior occurred, when there were pauses, all of that such. So I just wanted to point out, when we see the classic schedules, they're on cumulative records. If we re-put those onto an Excel graph, either an equal intervals Excel graph or a cumulative graph ourselves, they're not going to look the same because of our charting conventions. So with that said, let's jump right into it and learn about our schedules.